So last week we talked about starting to train problem solving skills, and the reason that we're doing it is because of concerns or things I've seen in the house, and I feel like we should start. My supervisor and me feel like we should start training that this week. Problem solving skills are skills that you learn that help you in challenging situations, and general problem solving skills consist of a few solutions to a problem. Um, there, you have to learn these skills so you can get yourself out of impulsive and dangerous situations in the home. Um, so today, the training that we're going to be doing is some role plays, and I'm going to teach you all about this worksheet, about the problem solving worksheet, and I'm going to come up with the problems, and I'll show you how to solutions. And yeah, so we're basically just going to be doing role plays, and I'm just going to assist you all the way through training. Do you have any questions or anything?
No.
Okay. So this is the first part of the worksheet. Oh yeah. Which worksheet do you want to do?
I guess this one.
Okay. Okay. So, the first part is defining the problem. So one of my problems is, it is a problem for me because. So that's just the problem that you're stating, the problem that you're having. And then these are the three solutions to your problem. So you're just going to come up with three different solutions to the issue you're having. And then these are good things that could have happened from those solutions. And that these are the bad things that can happen. So basically, good outcomes and like bad outcomes. And then after that, you're going to rate your overall solution as good, okay, or bad for all three solutions. So once you do that, then we're going to go to the bottom and you're going to choose the best solution. Once you choose the best solution, we're going to make a plan for when you're going to have to complete it and what you're completing, what solution you're completing, and by a date. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so the first one that we're going to do is your daughter's diaper rash. We're just going to kind of just go through this. We're not going to write anything down yet. We're going to be doing that in a little bit, but for right now, we're just going to kind of just go through it step by step. So one of my problems is Jenna has a diaper rash, but I don't have any diaper cream. What three solutions would you put down for that to happen? Like to get the diaper cream or to help with the rash?
Go out and buy some. Ask a neighbor or someone if they have some. Or if you don't have time or busy, have somebody else go get it.
Okay. And then what three good things would come out of that?
For going out and getting it, you would have it for whenever you need it.
Mm-hmm.
Wouldn't be able to diaper rash anymore. Pretty much problem solved. And I don't really see any bad things that would happen. Might cost a few bucks. That's not really, much of a negative.
Okay, maybe like maybe two other bad things would be like not being able to treat the rash, or
if it doesn't work, then you
yeah,
go to a doctor.
Or another one would be maybe
possibly allergic reaction or something.
Yeah.
I don't know, in rare cases maybe.
Okay, and then usually when we write them down, we'll come up with the best solution. But since we're just like talking them out right now, we'll just continue on to the next part of training. So now I'm gonna model a problem and the solutions in this whole problem solving worksheet. Okay, so the problem is going to be, one of our problems is my sister uses my car. It is a problem for me because she doesn't fill up the gas. Three different ways I can solve this problem. Asking my sister to fill up the gas. Telling my sister that I need to go to the grocery store, or ask sister to give me cash for gas. Okay, and then the next part is make good things that may happen. So, receive money from sister for gas. My sister, another one would be telling my sister that I need to go to the grocery store. My sister wouldn't use my car. And then ask sister to give me cash for gas. I would have gas in my car, and because of cash. Okay, bad things that may happen. Asking my sister to fill up the gas. She might get angry.
Might get angry, might say.
Yeah. Telling my sister that I need to go to the grocery store. She might get defensive about using the car. So another negative interaction. Ask my sister to give me cash for gas. Also, I feel like would be a very negative interaction because she might get worried about the money, so she might not want to give the money. Okay, and now I'm gonna rate each one. So, good, okay, or bad. Asking my sister to fill up the gas. I feel like that's a good one. Telling my sister that I need to go to the grocery store. I think that's okay. And then ask my sister to give me cash for gas. I feel like that's a bad one. So I'm just gonna, the best solution, I'm gonna go with the first one. Asking sister to fill up gas. That's the best solution. And now I'm gonna plan. So it's me. So I'm just gonna put my name. And then what, and talk to sister about gas. When? By next session. So next week. Implemented? Yes. And today's date, the 14th. Okay. Now we're gonna do it. That we just seen how I did it. Now you're going to do it with a different problem. I'm going to give you a problem, and you are going to do it. Your wife won't help you with cooking dinner.
Okay. So problem, wife won't help with dinner.
Yeah. Okay, 3 different ways you can solve your problem.
We're supposed to fill out this problem for me because...
Yeah.
Because
it's okay.
I don't have time or something, I don't know.
Yeah. You just, that's fine.
Okay. Ask her to take turns making dinner?
Yeah.
As to split up the work, like if you make dinner, then she helps with, something
Yeah.
else that you have to do. And this will seem.
Maybe
I mean, what else?
maybe have her like set up the table or
Yeah, I
something
mean,
when you're cooking.
I thought that would also, I mean, trade with other trophies. Yeah, like help set the table or
Yeah.
do dishes.
Yeah, exactly.
So good things that may happen. You can divide up, making dinner more
Mhm.
evenly.
Yeah.
Or let's see. You have more time.
Yeah.
Like do whatever else you need to do.
Uh-huh.
I don't know. Just, I mean, you're.
Maybe a positive interaction.
Yeah, positive interactions, cooperating, working
Mhm.
together.
And then you just go down to the next one. We'll just
Okay.
do good things.
Oh, okay, yeah, okay.
Then we'll do
So
bad
trade
things.
other scores. Pretty much the same. I mean, divide up the work evenly.
Mhm.
I mean, it's essentially the same. Still have more time to do other things you need to do, and another, just like reaching a level of like cooperation
Yeah.
where you can decide, like working together.
Yeah. Yeah, positive interactions. Yeah. Okay, more time covered. Okay. And then set table, do dishes.
I mean, yeah, you would get help with dinner still. I mean, you'd still have to do only like half the work. Again, like cooperation, like working together.
Mhm.
And I guess if you're like,
Maybe I would just set table. Just
I don't know.
good conversation.
Yeah, a conversation. You can talk while you're
Yeah.
both like working on dinner, setting the table.
Okay. And then the bad things that may happen.
I don't know, somebody say she doesn't have time or has like other things she has to do.
Yeah. She might get mad.
Might get mad, yeah. I don't know.
Maybe she will. I don't know. I guess we can just do negative interactions overall.
I mean, yeah, essentially. I mean, you could turn into a negative conversation or interaction.
Yeah.
She might say no. She might say she has other things to do or doesn't have time. It's essentially the same for all three of them.
Yeah. Yeah.
Might not have time or might not be able to do it or just say no. Maybe, I don't know.
Okay. And then trade other chores. What do you think?
I mean, same thing. Like, I don't know. She might not have time. Might have. Could have negative interaction if she already does a lot of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
and then set table and do dishes.
She might not want to trade.
Yeah.
And that's
To might have like other conflicts or like things she has to do.
mm-hmm.
Or like negative interaction, maybe.
Okay. Now we're gonna go through each problem when you're done, and we're gonna rate which if it was good, bad, or okay, and you kind of pick which one you feel like would be the
Okay.
best solution. So, for us to take turns, do you think that's good, okay, or bad? And just circle it.
Seems good. So take turns. I mean, unless there's some kind of like scheduling conflict.
Trade
like,
other chores, good, okay, or bad.
I think that could also be good.
And then set table and do dishes.
Also good.
Yeah. You just now you just have to choose what solution would be the best solution for.
I mean, asking to take turns just sounds most reasonable.
Okay. Yeah, just make sure to put your name and what solution you're doing, and just say next session would be good to have it.
Okay.
Just talk to your wife
Realistically,
before
it
the
would
next
probably
session.
be like next time you like, are making dinner. But...
Yeah. And just put yes to
and
implement
then you
it,
implement it.
and it's the 14th. Okay, so now, yeah, we have basically gone through. I have taught you how to do problem solving through the worksheet and basically what problem solving is. And I've modeled it for you. I've written it out for you, and you've done your own. So how do you feel about it?
Good.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Seems like a good way to solve problems.
Okay. So this is it for today. If you have any questions, do you have any last questions?
No, sounds good.
Okay. Well, that's it for problem solving. Cool.